Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the vector, a quantity with both magnitude and direction. By the end of this, you'll know which physics quantities are vectors, why direction can flip an answer to zero, and how to handle vector arithmetic. A vector has size and direction. Force, velocity, acceleration, momentum, displacement, all vectors. You can describe a vector with a number, a unit, and a direction, or by giving its components on the x and y axes. Three things. 1. Vectors have direction. 2. Opposite directions cancel. 10 northeast plus 10 northwest equals 0, for example. 3. Vectors are usually drawn as arrows, with length showing size and the arrowhead showing direction. Common mistake, adding vectors as if they were scalars. 2 forces of 10 newtons might give you 0 or 20 newtons, or somewhere in between, depending on the angle between them. Always consider direction. Quick example. A car has 3,000 newtons of forward thrust and 1,200 newtons of friction backwards. The resultant force is 3,000 minus 1,200 equals 1,800 newtons forwards. Subtract because the vectors point in opposite directions. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Now covering physics, biology, chemistry, and maths. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.